See the astronauts come back, I guess?
What is it?
The astronauts? See them come back? That guy and that girl? I don't know their names.
I don't know, but she looked better once she landed than she did before she went up there.
Well, they're closer to the sun, so. I mean, that's what I think, right?
How could you imagine? Could you imagine? I guess they probably. You think they shit into a? Do they have a bathroom where they try to shit into it?
No, I think they shit in a
box,
like a bag almost. They bag it up, kind of like how like underground coal miners have to do in when they go in those death boxes or whatever. When they.
Oh yeah.
What are they called? Rescue chambers. Or something?
Yeah. A shit bag.
They bag it up. I think they do that and they just
throw it out in space.
Basically, just.
I think they got like a little.
What do they call that?
Hatch?
What do they call that when they what do they call when they shoot something out into space? There's a name for that.
Launch.
Eject.
No,
I think it's something else.
Launch.
I don't know this. I don't know space
Fire.
talk. I don't know space talk. Anyway,
an astronaut.
They got me thinking, like, if you believe that they were really in space.
Who knows?
Because that landing footage seemed pretty shitty. I mean, there was not even any water splashed up against the capsule when it hit the water. Like, there was no water hitting up the capsule. I mean, you're going to have...
I didn't even watch it. I didn't watch them land.
Well, I didn't watch them land. I just watched as a video playback of it. But, okay, here's my idea. So they're in space. Everybody who's ever gone to space, has anybody ever... They're going to do research in space, right?
What kind of research?
Space station. They're gonna try to see how things work in
space research.
Zero gravity, 0G.
Right.
Masturbation. Do you think somebody has masturbated in space?
Oh,
I want to see what this is like.
You don't think they got?
I mean, it's gonna be like normal masturbation, but they want to see what it's like, snow globe style.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure there's condoms up there, because a guy and a girl.
That long in space, blah,
maybe
blah, blah.
Maybe not that.
We may never come back.
Yeah.
Blah blah blah.
Yeah.
So do you think they did?
I wouldn't have. Not with her.
Okay, here's what I'm getting at. Even if you didn't,
I would have.
But like a man ejaculates at like 25 miles an hour or something crazy. Mm-hmm. That sucker's moving.
That's a goddamn Randy Johnson curveball.
You nut one out. It's flying across the space station, the shuttle. Mm-hmm. I mean,
but
it's not micrometeorite going 30,000 miles an hour, but that sucker's moving now.
I wonder how far that would go then. How far is it going to go out before it just starts floating?
I mean, 25 mile an hour. I'd say it's probably going to hit the other side of the shuttle before it does anything because you're moving.
That's not very big in there, is it?
I mean, I wouldn't say so. No, it's probably the size, maybe less than this room. The individual cabs or habs or whatever they call them.
Yeah, you're probably right.
But that's moving. I mean, it's gonna shoot across the room, hit the first thing it hits, and just go, and then it's gonna turn into other small liquid particles.
They probably got a bag for that. They probably got a masturbation bag next to the shit bags. I mean,
you're gonna do it in this hose. Jettison out into space. Is that what it's called? Jettison?
Oh, hey, that sounds about the Jetsons.
Jettison. Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah.
Would 25 mile an hour be enough to propel you across the room?
Like you're holding on to a fucking fire
extinguisher? If you're facing the wall and you nat at the wall, is it going to propel you backwards? Is that enough force? A thrust? 25 mile an hour?
Maybe there's not enough volume.
I'm not a scientist, so I don't know.
I think you may have to have more volume.
Yeah, you think so?
If I got a squirt gun and I'm just squirting.
Yeah, but it's not coming out 25 miles an hour.
Okay, but if I've got a squirt gun right here, my feet are off the ground, I'm in this rolly chair, and I squirt the squirt gun, or if I hold a fire extinguisher.
I guess it'd be pressure.
The pressure. Volume times pressure equals velocity.
Times pi.
And you're going to get your ratio to air disturbance. I believe
that's to air ratio.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and if you times that by
6,
the gravitation that you have in space,
that'd be 6.
you'll actually see how far you're going to be pushed back. I think that's pretty sure that's the math on that.
Sounds right.
I have to double check. You guys double check that.